Welcome to this comprehensive guide on starting your own professional web developer business. Whether you're an experienced coder or just passionate about creating stunning websites, launching your own business can be a rewarding venture. In this video, we'll explore the essential steps to get started and discuss potential earnings in the industry. Let's dive in. First and foremost, establishing your web developer business requires careful planning and organization. Begin by defining your niche. Are you focusing on e-commerce platforms, personal blogs, or corporate sites? Identifying your target market will help tailor your services to meet specific needs. Next, create a detailed business plan. This should outline your objectives, marketing strategy, pricing models, and financial projections. Register your business legally and choose a suitable name that reflects your brand identity. Additionally, setting up a professional website is crucial as it serves as your portfolio to showcase your skills and previous projects. Building a strong network is vital for gaining clients and growing your business. Start by leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to connect with potential clients and industry professionals. Attend web development conferences, workshops, and local meetups to expand your network and learn from others in the field. Consider joining online forums and communities such as GitHub or Stack Overflow, where you can share your expertise and engage with peers. Networking not only helps you acquire new clients, but also keeps you updated with the latest trends and technologies in web development. Now, let's talk about the financial aspect of running a web developer business. Earnings in this field can vary significantly based on experience, location, and the complexity of projects. On average, freelance web developers can earn between $50 to $150 per hour. However, as you build a reputable brand and gain more experience, you can charge higher rates. Monthly income can range from $3,000 to $10,000 or more, depending on the volume and type of projects you undertake. Remember, the key to maximizing profits lies in providing exceptional service, meeting deadlines, and maintaining strong client relationships. Finally, continuous learning and adaptation are crucial for long-term success. The web development industry is constantly evolving, with new tools, languages, and frameworks emerging regularly. Stay ahead by investing time in learning and mastering these technologies. Consider enrolling in online courses, obtaining certifications, and following industry blogs to enhance your skills. Additionally, seek feedback from clients to improve your services and ensure customer satisfaction. By staying informed and adaptable, your web developer business will thrive in this competitive landscape. In conclusion, starting a professional web developer business requires strategic planning, effective networking, and ongoing learning. With determination and dedication, you can build a successful enterprise that not only brings financial rewards, but also allows you to express your creativity. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights into launching and growing your web development business. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey.